In front of me is Redmi Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate Permission Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app Ask Every Time or Don't Allow. I will go with Allow only while using, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using my browser. But you can always select any feature, tap on an app that you are interested in and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!